Galing na kami dun sa Starbucks. Ayan, tumingin lang kami dun. Tapos tuloy kami dito sa may parang night market, yung street na foods. Ayan. Tapat lang siya ng Starbucks ng Pudong, Shanghai. Ito yung street market nila. Ayan, street market nila dito. Tingnan natin yung mga street foods nila. Shit. Oy, free na, partas na. Oy, dahil kaya ko, King. Oh. Prenup, adwalo, oh. Eh, nagpi-prenup sila dito. Parang ako lang. Prenup. Tidap-dap. Go. Follow the flag.
Nanjing Road. Ito video na.
Nanjing Road. Nanjing Road. Ayan, malamig dyan, malamig. ICBC.
Wala na ka. Aliwan na rin.
Walong.
He is the gentleman. The ball is a symbol for the power. And then the other lion should have the baby in the hand. That means the baby is for the female lion for generation. But this lion is very strange. One named
Mami.
the other one named Stephen. They have the name. They have the Stephen and the Swing. Why? Because the Stephen is the leader of the Hong Kong band, and the Swing is the leader of the Shanghai Hong Kong band. The branch of yeah, you can see the Stephen always has a big mouth over his mouth. He is always said like that.
Ayan guys, titignan natin tong made from potato daw to. Potato 20 yuan money, Chinese money. Hello po, 2,000. Paso pa? 28. How? Talaga. Yan sila. Okay, wait. Yan guys, bibili tayo na. Bibili tayo na. Is this the line?
Yes.
Okay. Ayan. Bibili tayo ng tatlong ano.
Oh, careful.
Hello, Panyang.
Oh, you're Chinese, okay.
Little bit, Mandarin. Yeah. Ayan, may nakilala tayong Singaporean. They speak English. They are very good in English. Yeah. She was also a teacher in public in the Philippines. We tried this one. Egg with oyster sauce. And here's my son.
All of you vlogging.
Yeah, a little bit vlogging for souvenir documents.
You post it on Facebook. Or
Yeah, on
something.
Facebook, yeah.
Yeah, you know, here cannot use Facebook.
Yeah, I know.
Only VPN.
They use pila para sa oyster sauce na may with egg. Bibili tayo. Mami! Ayan guys, titikman natin tong made from potato daw to. Potato 20 yuan money, Chinese money. Tikman natin kung masarap. Potato yan, potato.